fat guy in a little car. You want to shoehorn there, buddy?
I'll make it work.
I subscribed to your channel. I bought your merch. I even made out with Tommy. My favorite car out of the collection is a Chevelle.
We just randomly stumble across Iron Gate.
Yep.
The Pagani in full Transformers mode. $918. Beautiful. GT3 RS. My dad was in that a couple weeks ago. And one of my favorites, the LaFerrari. Let's get a closer look at the LaFerrari. Number 1 of 499. Way to go, Steve.
Transformer, guys. Look at all that carbon. It's so nasty. Italian leather. Yep. My favorite car out of the collection is a Chevelle. This thing sounds so nasty when it's driving. Look at this engine. No, it's not. It's like.
Henry.
Look, we still haven't got rides. I subscribed to your channel. I bought your merch. I even made out with Tommy.
Oh wow.
And Tommy said for a ride we can do that. So we're old.
There's stuff you said we had to do.
He
Yeah.
would have done it for free, but I don't know, man. We give everybody rides, so
Yeah, I know.
I'm wondering what you're doing wrong.
Fat guy in a little car. You want to shoehorn there, buddy?
No, I'll make it work.
Yeah.
No, that's fine.
You know, if you can't get out, Steve has to give you the car.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Not for me either.
They got perfect headroom for me to sit in it.
Shut up. I wouldn't care. I could be a freaking sardine. I'll still drive it. My belly's not touching the steering wheel. I'm good.
Getting
I'm
stuck.
a kid in a candy store.
I bet.
That's like roll out.
Don't worry, we'll leave Steve some
open the door, you
wipies.
have to really press up with your arm.
Okay.
Push up with your arm.
We'll leave Steve some wipies to clean the mess up after you get out. On today's episode of Will He Fit, he's attempting to sit in the Pagani Huayra.
Pagani. Here we go. Hey,
Pagani.
I fit in the LaFerrari. We're gonna do this on and out. Okay. Like a pro. It's tight though. Oh yeah.
That's what she said.
Okay. The bolsters. But I'm in it. I'm here.
You're inside of a transformer.
I'm glad you said transformer. Time to make TikToks.
TikTok. Erica's 3 for 3 for hypercars.
I'm fitting, baby.
Look, I'm the perfect way to get to a car.
Yeah, buddy.
Isn't that comfortable enough?
It's not bad. Especially if I was back in high school weight. I'd still do it. And you know what? There's actually plenty of room down here for your feet too.
Oh yeah.
So that's not bad. Alright, now I gotta see how I feel with the wheel fit. Try, Sean. Does this one slam hard?
No, you can pull it as hard as you want.
Eric, so a better way to be vlogging out today is to just stumble on the Iron Gate and go to our favorite garage.
Right. So like, we were driving back from an event and like, we're gonna go right past Iron Gate. Who knows? I got a good feeling. Good feeling realized. And just stay tuned because in another video, it may even get better.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be amazing. But look, you got your legendary F40. You got your Ferrari. The 458 Special. A P1. Acid Green 918 Spider. This thing is nasty. But you got your Carrera CGT.
Yeah, baby.
Look at this. Nice Corvette. The 4 GTs. Look at old school, new school.